How to fix Elden Ring FPS drops and stuttering issue on Windows. 1. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Optimize graphics settings. Add the eldenring.exe file into graphics settings. 3. For Steam users, verify integrity of game files. 4. Disable Steam overlay. 5. Disable Microsoft Device Association root enumerator from running in dev.msc. 6. Adjust the NVIDIA settings in NVIDIA Control Panel. Head to Global Settings tab under Manage 3D Settings, set Unlimited to Shader Cache Size.